Good morning from Jamaica. We've just reversed in to the port. This is day 5. It's 7:15 in the morning. And as you can see, the water, it's been like a mill pond all night on the sail in. Absolutely stunning place. We're off for a tour of Montego Bay and a few other odds and sods, and a bit of a proper jerky place this morning. So we'll check in throughout the day. See you later. Good morning, Jamaica Harbour. Do you have all the little shops like that, babe? Off on our excursion this morning. Walk down the harbour. The port front, whatever you want to call it. There's our boat. I think we might be the only boat in as well. Anyway, loads of shops on the side. As you can see, absolutely loads of us.
She's scalable, she. Morning.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, have a lovely day today.
We will do. See you on the way back.
When we get on the main road, we normally say the left side is the right side, but the right side is suicide. And if you're sitting on the right and you see anything coming too close to you, you just close your eyes, then you open it, and then you say, no problem. How does that sound? Sounds good?
Sounds
yeah,
good.
Man. Alright, so the gentleman who took your tickets, that's Daddy Edward. He calls himself Daddy Edward. And Edward will be giving you bits and pieces. What is wrong with you, young man? You have another daddy? Yeah, right. Alright, so Edward will be giving you bits and pieces of information about beautiful Jamaica and also your journey into Montego Bay. And the do's and the don'ts. Alright, yeah man?
Yeah, man.
So you're all looking forward for a wonderful day, everybody?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I am too, and it's happy to have you here in Jamaica with us. Yeah man, very good. And do we have any first timers? Let me see your hands. Put your hands up in the air. Let me see them up in the air. Alright, good. Welcome. So the second timers. Any second timers? Okay, so you are from America or Canada? Which one?
Canada.
You're from Canada. So you know what we are second time and you're from Canada. We call you Janadian. You're half Jamaican and half American. And when you're American, we say Jamaican. Okay. Yeah, man. So we're not leaving you out. All right. We're looking for a very good morning, everyone.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, man.
I have a question though. What time should you be back today? What time does the ship sail? You're not sure. 4:30. Oh no, 4:30. 4:30, 5:30. 5:30, which would be 4:30 Jamaican time.
Yeah.
Okay. So what time you have now? 9:16. So originally it's 8:16 here, right? Yeah. Okay.
There's one coming up. Two coming up. There's one here, and there's another.
Here I come, mommy, won't go home. Here I come, mommy, won't go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally the banana. Here I come, mommy, won't go home. Mr. Tallyman, tally the banana. Daylight come and me run go home. Then daylight come and me run go home. 6
Say hello.
Hello.
I brought mine because you've got a few packs, but on yours you can spin yours around. I can't. You know, the camera. No. Pauses will take pictures. No, we're not. Well, I have to turn it off and on. You know what I mean? It just won't turn around. Yeah. We'd love to, but we're going. Got to get on the bus now.
Alright, so we're heading to Scotchies now. We just went and turned so we can go back in park. So we're heading to Scotchies. So I will show you how the jerk is done. Then I take you around, you get your lunch, eat, and then we head back to the bus and make our way out to the road for the other stop to get the ice cream and to get back to the Alright, so we're heading out. Alright. Bye-bye.
Hi from Jamaica, we're in Scotchies and it's the most famous place for jerk chicken and pork on the island. So we're going to do a little review. So after the pork, we're going to the chicken. Ta-da, drum roll. Oh. Not what I expected.
What is it? Okay, do you want to open the chicken one there, babe?
Yep. Drum roll. Wow.
That's the chicken one.
Yep, nice. We'll dive into the side.
Let me know how it tastes then. Nice. Okay, we'll eat this and come back to you.
So the food for Scotchies was okay. The chicken was to die for. I think if you were to go have a buy it yourself, you could get nicer food.
Hotter, probably, definitely.
I mean, it was fabulous. That chicken just fell off the bone.
Yeah.
I seen someone with like sweet corn and stuff like that, so I was a little bit jealous. But if we'd ordered it now, we might miss the bus. So we just got what we wanted, and it was delish. So I recommend Scotchies, just for the food, the atmosphere, beer is always good. Marks behind me like this.
What are you scoring it?
Egging me on.
Out of 10?
Oh no, and we've had a little fab all table long. Out of 10, I'd probably say 7.
I would agree with you actually,
Yeah.
yeah. I thought the chicken was fab, the pork was okay, but I think but without a shadow, the chicken was the star of the fab. And we had these like donut things, cornbready, like really thick doughy donut sweet. But there you go, all good. So cheers.
Cheers. Hi. What's up, honey?
Well, one. Enjoying yourself?
We will do, yes, fabulous.
Where you from?
We're from the UK, England.
England? Where in England?
I'm from Liverpool.
Liverpool?
Where the Beatles are from?
I'm a Man City fan.
Oh, you're Man City? My husband's a Man United fan.
Man United? And he's from Liverpool?
He's from Manchester.
Ah!
I know, yeah.
United fan?
He's a Man City fan.
A Man City. Blue skies all day. One love.
Nice day,
Come on.
Baby, this is what the dreams for. Lightning strikes every time. And what about is what you love? Let's just look at
We're making it to our beautiful island home, Jamaica. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be on this cruise, and this cruise took you to our beautiful island home, Jamaica. Now, if you truly enjoyed your time in Jamaica today, let me hear you make some noise. Yeah, man. Alright, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to send you guys off in fine style. I got my entertainment team right here. We're about to have some fun with you guys right now. My DJ is ready. I'm ready. The dancers are ready. Let's get this one for the DJ. Take it away. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you like us have some fun with us right now. Let's go. Everyone, clap your hands like this. Let's go. You clap your hands like this. Let's go. Everyone, follow my entertainment team right now. We're gonna go. Goodbye to you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully to the words of this song. It's basically talking about this situation that you're in, as the man Reggie would say. You took a trip to Jamaica, and now that you're leaving, this song is appropriate for you. And eyes are gay and the sunshine. Hey, I put you on a sailing ship, and we're out of Jamaica. Come on, give me some waves, come on. If you got something waving, if you got a Jamaican flag, let me see you waving right now. Let's go. All my wonderful friends, we appreciate you guys so much for making it to Jamaica. And we just want to say goodbye for now, not forever. And all our first timers to Jamaica, we appreciate you guys so much. together and feel alright. One love, let's get together and feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Come back to Jamaica and drink, let's try. Enjoy the rest of your vacation. Enjoy it. Making it to Jamaica. I'm over here. Boat ships right now. You gotta take some boat ships. Make it nice and loud for the hard-working staff of these crews. Make it nice and loud for the staff. And last but not least, can we show the captain of boat ships some love? Make it nice and loud for your captain. Ladies and gentlemen, we say goodbye for now. Take care until we meet again. We always say in Jamaica, Iba, what do we always say? Alright, you heard the man Iba. Take care until we meet again.
We have runners. I don't think there's any more now. I think they've just about made it. That's funny that was. How embarrassing.